Hey there, and welcome back to Rec Trends channel. Today, we're going to be discussing the latest developments in the rugged compact crossover market. As you may know, General Motors has been considering a competitor to the Ford Bronco Sport, and we have some exciting news to share. In a recent report from the GM Authority opinion desk, it was suggested that General Motors needs a competitor to the Ford Bronco Sport in the rugged compact crossover market. While GM has been content to let Ford and Jeep fight it out in this segment, they could benefit from having a similar offering. GM Authority has imagined what this competitor could look like in their rendering of the next-gen 2025 GMC Terrain. The rendering has shortened dimensions for better off-road capabilities and a raised suspension setup for a rougher ride. The vehicle also boasts all-terrain tires, all-wheel drive, differential locking, underbody skid plates, and tow hooks to further enhance its off-road prowess. The styling features thin upper lighting signatures, horizontal lighting elements, lower black cladding, and a two-tone paint treatment with an extended C-pillar line. This concept vehicle could potentially be the GMC Granite, a new B-segment crossover, or the next-gen 2025 GMC Terrain. However, the GMC Granite has had an uncertain future in the past. The next-generation 2025 GMC Terrain is expected to debut in either 2023 or 2024. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest trends in the automotive industry. We'll be sure to keep you updated on any news regarding the 2025 GMC Terrain and its potential release. See you in our other videos.